morning, students. How are you today? I hope all of you fine and healthy.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm fine and healthy, thank you. And how about you?
Nice. I'm in good condition. Thank you. Okay, students, before we start a lesson, please pray together. Please start. Finish. Okay, let me check your absence. Muhammad Akbar,
Present, ma'am.
Anissa.
Present, ma'am.
Today we will going to talk about procedure, text, manual, and tips. I mean, we still going to talk about procedure, text, and tips. Ya, jadi materi kita hari ini masih tentang procedural, text, manual, and tips. Oke. Oke. Tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini adalah memahami peta konsep, pikiran, or mind mapping tentang procedural text, manual, and tips secara teliti. Berikut, mempresentasikan video procedural text, manual, and tips berkaitan dengan media gambar berseri. Yang terakhir, membuat video mengenai procedure text, manual, and tips berkaitan dengan media gambar berseri. Oke, last meeting, I have explained you about procedure text. Ya, pertemuan lalu Ibu sudah menjelaskan tentang procedural text. Do you still remember what is procedure text? Hello student, do you still remember? Masih ingat kita belajar apa? Kita belajar tentang procedure text. Apa itu procedure text?
Yes, ma'am. Procedure text
Akbar?
is text that with counter step, information to the most bit taken to achieve the goal.
Okay, good. Procedure text is a text which contains step, instruction must be taken to achieve a goal. Okay, good job. And how about manual? Bagaimana tentang manual? Apa itu manual?
Manual is reference document which provides detailed information about operation and maintenance of a product.
Hello? How about manual? Anyone? Anyone can answer?
Manual
Yeah?
Manual is a written document with provide detailed information about operation and maintenance of product.
Okay, manual is a reference document which provides detailed information about operation and maintenance of a product. Good job, Akbar. Okay, and how about tips?
Tips is an essay that contains a description or the procedures or operational steps in doing or making something.
Okay, thank you, Risman. Tips is an essay that contains a description of the procedure of or operational steps in doing or making something. Very nice. Okay. I will present a video. Please watch it.
You are, and you know I won't be too long. Hold on, hold on. Remember when I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side. You will never be alone. Even when we go through changes, even when we're old. Remember that I told you I'll find my way back home. 들어 있어준 시간이어서 선명히 너는 떠올라 길 맘속에 널 가둔 채 살아 그만 멈춘 시간 속 잠든 너를 찾아가.
Okay, students. After you watch, what you have seen? Apa yang kamu lihat dalam video tadi?
Materi prosedur teks dengan cabang-cabang, Mem.
Okay.
Materi prosedur dengan cabang-cabang.
Okay, good. Aisyah,
Materi prosedur.
Akbar, ya. Jadi materi prosedur teks dengan cabang-cabang. Yes. That is called peta konsep or mind map. Ya. Jadi materi yang bercabang-cabang tadi itu kita sebut dengan peta konsep or mind mapping. Ya.
Mem,
Ya.
apa itu mind map, Mem?
Mind map.
Apa itu mind map?
Good question. Mind map adalah proses pencatatan yang menggunakan visual dan ikatan yang berbentuk menyerupai cabang dan berfungsi untuk memaksimalkan kerja otak kanan dan kiri. It is clear enough? Udah jelas apa itu mind map?
Yes, Mem. Thank you.
Okay, good. Okay, students. Before our meeting today, I have give you a discussion task in WhatsApp group. Still with the same team or group with the last meeting. Ya, jadi Ibu sudah membagikan kelompok ya di WhatsApp group masih dengan kelompok yang kemarin dan tugasnya juga sudah ada ya. Dan Ibu meminta untuk kalian mengirimkan video, mengumpulkannya dengan mengirimkan video. Oke. Dan sekarang sudah ada satu kelompok yang mengirimkan video tentang tugas ini ya. Sorry. Ini tugasnya ya. Sudah Ibu share dan sudah ada yang mengumpulkan. Oke. Please watch your friend's presentation. Okay.
Wash your hands with clean running water. Turn off the tap and apply enough soap to cover hands and faces. Lather your hands by rubbing them together with the soap. Wash the backs of both hands and in between your fingers. Then clasp your hands together with fingers interlocked. Don't forget to clean around your thumbs. And then rub your fingertips in the palm of your hands. And finish off with the wrist. Rinse your hand really well with water until it clean. And the last step is dry your hands thoroughly with a clean towel. So now your hands are clean.
Number 1. Number 2. Or wear a mask. This is important. Don't wear your mask for more than 1 day. Okay, next. Number 3. Okay, number 4. But if you have to touch them, make sure your hands are clean. The last, stay safe.
Okay. Okay. That is your friend's presentation, group 1. Okay. That's very good. Do you think so? For others? How about the others? The video from group 1 is good or no? Hello, others?
Very good, Mem. And
Ah,
the
very
tip
good.
is clear.
Yeah, then the step is clear. Yeah. Yes, it looked well prepared. Okay. Thank you, group 1, for sharing the video. And for other group, keep spirit. Your video, yeah, your video will I present maybe another time. Ya. Ibu tidak bisa menampilkannya saat ini karena keterbatasan waktu. Okay, students, I have prepared an assignment for you. This is the assignment, ya, LKPD, lembar kerja yang pada pertemuan ketiga. Kalian bisa lihat di sini. Ini adalah perintahnya. Ya. Oke, ya. The instruction, make a video by using mind mapping procedure text about how to withdraw cash from ATM based on the serial picture and the keywords. Jadi, kalian diminta untuk membuat sebuah video menggunakan peta konsep prosedur teks tentang bagaimana cara penarikan uang tunai dari mesin ATM. Jadi, berdasarkan media gambar berseri dan kata kunci yang sudah ada di sini ya, terlihat di sini ada purse, ada card, language, money. Oke. It is clear? Sudah jelas mengenai tugasnya harus berbuat apa? Jelas? Sudah jelas semuanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Akbar, thank you. Okay, students, before we end our meeting, what material we have studied today? Kita sudah belajar apa hari ini?
Kita belajar tentang teks prosedur, teks yang menggunakan peta konsep.
Okay, true. That's good. Do you enjoy about studying this material? Kalian suka? Kalian menikmati?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. It makes me easy to understand the material.
Okay, good. Itu membuat kamu merasa mudah untuk memahami materi yang disajikan ya. Okay, with mind map or studying it will easy to understand. Okay, students, before we end our meeting, yeah, I will remembering you to submit your worksheet by send to e-learning classroom or by send to my email, yeah, on Monday, 1st November 2020. Okay. Okay, before we end our meeting, don't forget to fill the absence and do your homework. Okay, please pray together. Please start. Okay, finish. Okay, student, thanks for joining. Keep your spirit up. Stay at home. Study from home. See you next meeting. Bye-bye. See you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.